Yeah, guys, welcome back to the channel. This is one of the interesting problem. Wherever you go, whatever the language you learn, this program will come for sure. Semester also, I don't know actually. This is a simple question only, but assignment or somewhere for sure you will get. For sure you will get. This is the one of the most famous problem in CSC. You can tell like even a person who don't know programming language going to attempt semester, he will study this problem. I can tell like that many people knows this question is nothing but we need to tell whether a person is eligible to vote or not. Okay, eligible to vote or not. Okay, basically we will write a python program which takes age as input. We will be given with input as age, a human age. We need to tell whether he is eligible to vote or not. Basically, when you will vote, if your age is greater than 18, you are eligible to vote. If your age is less than 18, you are not eligible to vote. Correct. Similarly, you can relate with these many things like pension. If your age is greater than 60, you are eligible for pension. If it is less than 60, you are not eligible. Again, a-rated movie allowance. For example, if you want to go to a a-rated movie, if your age is greater than 18, then only you are eligible, or else you are not eligible. Any in all these scenarios, you have only two cases: eligible or not eligible. Okay, only two cases: you are eligible or you are not eligible. Only two cases. Whenever you are given a question with two cases, what you should use? What you should use? If else only. Correct. If else only. We don't have any option also. Scientists who developed Python programming language, they gave only if else only for us. They haven't given any other option. Even some people tell that we will use else if also, but no need. Whenever the small case, this one is enough. If else is enough. Am I correct? Now let's see how we will do this. First, whenever we are given with a question, first understand what is input and what is output. For this program, the input is age. Okay, correct. Am I right? And what is the output? Output is two things: eligible, not eligible. Two cases are there. For us, only two cases are there. You know, right? Again, Ganga story. I need to repeat. Ganga River story. Ganga River story will come from top to bottom. This is our compiler story. Ganga river will flow from top to bottom, from top of the mountain to niche. In this, if the river flow choose this path or else this path, in our case only two paths. If you are coming in this path, you should come this path only. I cannot you again you cannot come this path. Only one path. This is one path or else this is one path. Only you need to choose one path. And what is the condition? What is the condition? Age. The given age must be greater than 18. If it is true, they will come like this. If it is false, they will come like this. Am I correct? Only two paths. If else. Now, how to do this? Okay. Condition you got to know. If age greater than 18. This is quite common. Elections, you can search in the Google also. If your age is greater than 18, you are eligible for vote. And whoever the BTech people, I think all of you people are eligible. Why? Because 10th class is 16 age plus 2 years you are plus 1 plus 2 18. In engineering first year onwards, I think many people can do voting. Now let's see. Now first what we'll take one age is equals to, for easy understanding, write variables also with the good names. Don't like write like me a n x b like this. Okay, you will get confused. This is a small code, that was no problem. Whenever you are writing 100 line, 200 line, 300 line, you will not even understand why you are using some nonsense variable names. In software, this is must and should. One time I used to write some nonsense variable. I just kept like this A. Then my senior came. He told, "Don't use like this. Who is A? Is your friend? Is your name? Is your name like this?" He asked. So don't place these things. Okay, place a good names. And one more thing, don't use animal names in company or somewhere. Whenever you are going to in your BTech project, whenever doing BTech projects, don't use buffalo is equals to 5 like this. Okay, don't do these nonsense activities. Don't do this. Okay. So now age is equals to int of input of. So basically age is an integer number, right? You don't have 1.1 year, 1.2 year like this. 1 year, 2 year kid, 3 year kid like this. One number only, perfect number, right? So integer. Next. Now what we should do? If my age is greater than 18, if your age is greater than 18, what you should do? Print eligible to vote. Correct. Eligible to vote or else. If this is not the case, then what is the other case? Print not eligible to vote. Okay, while writing the program I will write in the full form just for your understanding. Human to human na? We both are humans. This is for human, so we can write in our understanding language. Okay, now see this. For example, we'll take one sample and we'll test. For example, a is 20 age. First line I go 20. Now they're asking 20 greater than 18. True, correct only, right? 20 greater than 18. Now we what we need to print? Eligible to vote. Correct. Yeah, this is correct. The program is working fine. Working fine. Yeah, correct. Now let's see this. How to run this Python program. Now let's check. Now let's check. We'll run this Python program. I hope you people can see compiler. Now see first age. Age is equals to int of input of enter your age. Okay, enter your age. You are entering some age. Okay, if age is greater than 18, then what I should do? Then what I should do? Print eligible eligible to vote. Correct. If not else what I should print? Print eligible, not eligible to vote. Am I correct? Let's check this. If my age is 100, think that I am 100, my age is 100. Okay, now what it should print? You are eligible to vote. Now think one of our kid, okay, which whoever coming in the future generations, their age is -3, or else just their age is two. Okay, 2 years. Now if your age is 2, you are not eligible to vote. It is telling you are not eligible to vote. Please get out from the voting center. They are telling like this indirectly. Okay, so read this, and I hope I cleared this video. And if you can you comment some good variable name, very bad variable name? I will tell that buffalo is a very bad variable name which a person should not keep. And you people can type one very bad variable name which is funny and bad. Okay, let's see whose comment will be very good. Okay, okay guys, bye guys, meet you in the next video. Bye.